Hold on. The Maverick is picking up some delayed activity coming out of the camp of young Jamaican sprint sensation, Brianna Williams. Some grumblings about Otto Bowling as a Trinidadian coaching Brianna Williams, a Jamaican. Apparently, some Trinidadians are upset that a Trinidadian is coaching a Jamaican to beat Trinidadians. And of course, with Jamaica's rich track and field history and tradition, some level of jealousy is there on seeing a Trinidadian in charge of the newest Jamaican sprint star. But you know, say all of that is petty. All is finding fault of Otto Bolden's methods and strategies in developing this young phenom. You need to stop it. Jamaica full of talent. You go find your own talent and develop your own phenom. As for the Trinidadians being upset with Otto, that is even worse. I don't think when Otto Bolden started this Brianna Williams project, he saw a Jamaican or a Trinidadian. I think he saw a phenomenal talent who obviously now respects and responds well to her Trinidadian coach, with the result being greatness in the making. If Brianna Williams decided to represent the USA, or she could have represented Trinidad and Tobago, Otto Bolden would have coached her the same way and with the same results. Let me say this. People need to stop this petty insularity and parochialism. It helped mash up West Indies cricket already. I don't want to carry it anywhere near Jamaican athletics. You come in like some flea and things.